How to log out of Kimi AI application, whether you are using your smartphone or tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily and quickly sign out of your Kimi AI account. First of all, launch open the Kimi AI app on your device, and from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu, click on your name or your username at the top, and this will open up the settings menu. Before logging out of your Kimi AI account, make sure that you remember the login options that you previously chose while signing up for Kimi. If you do, you can simply tap the logout button at the very bottom of the settings page and click on logout in the pop-up to confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out or signed out of Kimi AI account. So there you have it. You can log back in any time you want by choosing your login method. Perfect if you're switching accounts or just taking a break. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.